Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Let's talk about YouTube creator burnout. How can we avoid that? I'm going to share some things that have worked on my channel that nobody else is talking about. And if you stay with me all the way through till the end, I've got some bonus PowerPoints and tactics big YouTubers are using. You do not want to miss this. Let me know in the comment section which one of these PowerPoints stands out the most for you. So the first thing that they don't tell you, you don't have to publish every video that you record. What I've learned to do on my channel is record videos, put them unlisted. These are videos that you record, but you don't necessarily publish them and make them public as unlisted. Even take a look at them for yourself. Get your view in there while you're doing it. Most of the time when we think about being a content creator, we're always under that pressure of getting videos out there, but most people won't tell you. You can record some, unlist them, and publish them later. Did you know that most people who start a YouTube channel never make it past 100 subscribers, 500 and 1,000 subscribers? A lot of people started off, but they never completed because they're being burnt out. A lot of that is happening more and more. As a matter of fact, check this clip out right here. Let me share something with you on how YouTubers are reaching that place of being burnt out. Check this out.
Hello everyone and welcome to another video.
Never in my life filmed a video like this.
This, forgive me, is just taking a lot.
Yeah.
Me was sad.
Literally feel so weird right now.
Me was cry.
It just hit me out of nowhere.
I'm burnt out.
I'm depressed.
Wow, think about that. And that's just one clip that I found. There are several individuals on YouTube, several videos of different content creators sharing their story of how they're getting burnt out. And a lot of times it just becomes a pressure, and it comes from having to record videos, thinking that as soon as you record a video, you have to put it out there. And one of the things that has helped me on my journey on my channel is doing what they call batch recording. But there's more than one way to do that. When you think about batch recording, these are just things that a lot of people don't tell you. How can we avoid this burnout? There's a lot of ways to do batch recording. And the first way to do batch recording is to record 2 or 3 videos per week. And the second way to do batch recording is to record 2 or 3 videos in one day, in one setting, setting up your camera, recording, batch recording right there, all at the same time. Now the second one is more so for those who like to publish a video every day. Publish a few, save a few, now and laters, right? Think about that. My method that has worked for me is to record 2 to 3 videos every week, but I always put 2 or 3 on the shelf unlisted. One of the main ways that a lot of content creators burn out is they'll record videos and then they'll upload them all and then publish them all. Make them all public. And from my experience, that is something that you do not want to do that. You always want to give yourself some time, always want to give yourself some breathing room, some time to relax, take a few days off, take a few weeks off. So remind yourself when you get with your team, every now and then, think about some videos that you can record, but not necessarily publish everything at the same time. Even on my channel, there are several videos right now that I have already recorded, thumbnails already present, as you can see on the screen, already there, unlisted. And all I've got to do is just make them publish when the time is right. This has really helped me to avoid being burnt out as a content creator. Even just the idea of setting up your camera, pressing record, getting your backdrop together, getting your lights set up, getting your camera set up, right? All of those things, people always see the shine, but they don't see the time. They don't see the energy that you put into your channel. They don't see the work that you put. So for me, what has helped me is to do all of that work and save some for later. Create you some now and laters to avoid being burnt out. You can create some videos, but you don't have to publish everything you record. You can save some for now and publish some for later. I call it now and laters. That is a great way to avoid being burnt out as a content creator. One thing about being a content creator, there will be times when you just really don't have that motivation. That's the time when you can look on your shelf, get those videos from unlisted and make them public. And the second way to avoid being burnt out as a content creator that nobody's talking about, it is to remember why we're doing this. Why? Remember your purpose. Even on my channel, along my journey, there are times when I just don't really feel like doing it, and I have to remind myself, having a higher purpose. It is purpose that binds us, purpose that grinds us, purpose that leads us, purpose that recreates and drives us. What is your higher purpose? And maybe you're watching this and you never really had a higher purpose. Even comments that people leave on your channel. This comment right here, it motivated me to record a certain video. It inspired me to put together some videos. Your comments can remind you of your purpose. One of my favorite sayings is, after hell has done its worst, I'll still be at my best. Some of the things that I've been through, part of my journey as an inspirational speaker, is to share that with you. I've been homeless. I've been down and out. I've been almost left for dead. Things in my life. So part of my higher purpose to empower you that if I can do it, you can too. So I had to reach the point in my life where it was more than just the views that I was getting on my channel. It became more than just reaching a certain subscriber milestone, even though that's important, even though that's so important when it comes to unlocking certain things on your channel, like the monetization, getting into the YouTube partner program, for example. But I had to go beyond that. I had to go beyond wanting the gold play button and the silver play buttons on your channel. So remind yourself, what is your higher purpose? Maybe you're watching this and you never had a higher purpose. I encourage you, recreate that. That is a powerful way to avoid getting burnt out as a content creator. Having that higher purpose has something that has helped me to stay in this thing for the long term, always going to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. Next Level Mindset. That's where it's at. And by the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, join this family, stay empowered and inspired. Let's stay motivated and avoid this burnout thing together. We could do that here at Next Level. And the third way to avoid burning out on YouTube that nobody's talking about is to always have fun doing what you're doing. For me, I had to find the balance between having a niche and having fun. Did you know that so many creators burn out because they're so focused on having a niche, niching down, that they forget to have fun at the same time? And one of the things that has helped me to remember to have fun is to check my analytics and remember those top videos. Check out your analytics sometimes. Go to those top videos in your last 28 days. You can recreate that positivity, reignite that passion by realizing that these are the videos that others are enjoying. And so I found out that using that metric has helped me stay motivated, and it gives me inspiration for creating my next video. Having fun is so important. Enjoying what we're doing. So many people, they're so focused on having a niche that they forget to have fun and enjoy it at the same time. And another thing is to enjoy having fun is using all the tools that we have at our disposal. I like TubeBuddy, tubebuddy.com/StevonJBiz. You can check them out with the link in the description. But they inspire you with different ideas, different tests for your YouTube channel, different thumbnails, different SEO strategies. Another way to stay motivated, using those tools, avoiding the burnout, having fun at the same time as having a niche. So important to remember, we don't want to get niched down so far that we forget to have fun. A lot of YouTubers, they burn out because they just don't have fun. So remind yourself that it's okay to just loosen up, be yourself. Have fun. Remember your higher purpose. Some of you watching this right now, part of your way of having fun is entertaining people, making them laugh, giving them the opportunity to break away from something, just giving other people an opportunity to change their mindset, change their mode of activity. Maybe your thing of having fun is just getting on camera and going live sometime. Nobody's really talking about how to combine a niche with having fun at the same time. And from my experience, that is so important when it comes to staying in this thing for the long term. I like to say that I can do anything through the power of God within me. You may be someone who never really thinks about God and religion and spirituality, but always keep in mind there is a power within us. You can tap into that higher power and get what you have to get done. Taking it to that next level. Everything that we do, next level mindset. Now, you don't want to miss these bonus PowerPoints that I have for you. But first, before we do that, if you are enjoying the content on my channel, you can show your appreciation by Cash App donation, a super thanks, super chat, buy a coffee, take my books home with you, as well as other ways you can support the channel with the links in the description. Thank you for that. So now this first bonus PowerPoint has to do with celebration. One of my affirmations says, I love to celebrate my accomplishments. I always acknowledge myself for a job well done. And you're probably watching this, and when is the last time you celebrated? Maybe you published a video and it got a 1 out of 10, confetti popping. Celebrate that. All the time you put getting your camera set up, setting up your YouTube studio, scripting out what you were going to say. Get that 1 out of 10, celebrate it. Celebrating is a great way to avoid being burnt out. You may have a video that gained 9, 10 subscribers, even if it's just one. That is a great reason to celebrate. Celebrate that accomplishment, because what you've done is inspired just one person, even if it's just one. Inspires me to celebrate that accomplishment. And a lot of people, did you know that a lot of YouTubers get burnt out because they don't celebrate those small victories? It's a great way to celebrate. Also, remember this, always check out your traffic sources. That's going to be an inspiration for you to get motivated. Find out where your traffic sources, what videos are coming from which sections of YouTube. You may find that you have a lot of videos coming from browse that inspire you to create more of those type of videos. From search, it'll inspire you to create more search type videos. And some of the bigger channels, all they really have is techniques that they use that we may not know about. As a matter of fact, check out this video right here coming up on the screen, Power Tactics from Big YouTubers to Explode Your Channel. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out, enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. I wouldn't be here without you. I really appreciate you. Hit the like button, share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.